Hi guys, I'm ExactChaos and welcome back to the Let's Try series of Startup Freak. So again, I have received an early release copy from the developers, Pool Games, based in Australia, and we are playing this game on to see how it goes. So we've developed our product, which is schematically shown over here, and we've launched it, and we're starting to see some users use it, and we're working towards certain milestones. We just added an investor to the mix. So if I come over here and see shareholders, so Sylvie Sheely is an 18% shareholder in this company, and she paid like just over 100,000 for it, but now we can actually run a little bit longer. Now let's see, in backlog, what do we need to do? Oh, we're still doing market research, which I think is good for us just yet. So shall we add some features to it? How's our security stuff? So maybe at the very least, I believe we need to add another security component. I would like to have a security component over there. Add it to the sprint. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to kind of do the same thing on that side. So what I'll do now I'm going to go with a performance. Yeah, a performance feature over there. And I'm going to go with a test feature over here. And that's exactly what I would like to build it like this. Excellent. Perfect. Add it to the sprint. So there we go. We'll add those components and start with it. And now our sprint is actually full. So let's run those components. Excellent. Our market report is in. Level 2 inbound marketing, level 1 market research. Okay, our best feature has 2 components, 0 upgrades, and is bug free. So that's pretty much all of them. Customers in our market segment care equally about gestures and API integration. So now we can start upgrading features, I believe. Our customers are really happy with how bug free our product is. 0 out of 6 features have known bugs. Our potential customers in the market care more about design than technical features. Based on this, none of our features are too technical and none of our features are too design focused. And 3 of our features hit the right balance between design and tech. I will create another feature showing you how you balance this out. TV ads will attract a larger number of visitors than mailing lists for any amount of spending. The price of our basic plan is way too low. We should definitely raise it. So that's very good. So now let's go over here. So it's way too low, so let's pop it up to like 25 and we'll apply it over there. What is happening over here? Oh, we've opened up more marketing stuff. So now we have like ads over here. So what I'll do is I'll open up this one. We'll pop in 1,000 in there, spending on that, and there's an email. Oh, that's the market research report. And over here, we're having trouble. We need infrastructure level 3 to be able to sort things out. At the moment, I don't think we can. If we go here, do we have a better server? We only have that server. So we have issues with our servers. So we really can't accommodate more. Okay, so we are still creating those components. Let's keep running that. Kind of wondering if this person in the marketing environment was a bit of a concern. We probably needed a developer. Okay, and let's see if we can finish off those components. There we go, 3 new features added. We're still not quite at the infrastructure upgrade level, so let's have a look. So these have been added. See, market research has seen this. Market research can sometimes identify features that are in high demand by customers. Building these features might be complex, but can be well worth your while. Building each requested feature will boost sign up and reduce churn. So can we build it? We can't build it. We need to build towards it, I believe. So what I'll do is I'll start building a feature over here, right? So we'll do 2 technical components and 2 design components like such, right? There we go. Maybe we'll let's add 1 more design component over there. So now I've built a more complex feature over here, which has 2 technical components and 3 design components, so that in the next, once we've got that built, we can build this one over here. Okay, so let's add that to the sprint so they can start building that. There's nothing else I believe we should be building right now, so let's start building that feature. Okay, we'll build our way that way. I'm keen that we start, that we need to sort out infrastructure. We need to get infrastructure done quicker. Hopefully we can get it done. Inbound marketing level 3, seek investors. Okay, let's go back in here. I want to take inbound marketing off the table. Got level 3. Let's go for traditional. Make sure we get that sorted out. Actually, get some events in there. Since we're not building any more features at the moment, maybe we'll do a bit more marketing. Shall we up our PR a little bit? Let's do that. See how that goes. Branding, not quite sure we need to do that just yet. Let's run that. Okay, infrastructure. A new network topology is available for research. Open infrastructure. Yeah, let's get that done. Oh, we've got the Concord in there too. Okay, so now one active data center with multiple servers. So now we can actually start adding extra servers in there. Then once we reach level 6, we can do load balanced advanced, which is multiple active data centers with multiple servers. Okay, so let's make sure we research that one. In the meantime, we'll get rid of this one and we will add this one, which is at more than double this one, this Super 10. So let's pop that one in there. At least we'll add a little bit more to the mix over there. We are not doing too well. Let's see about maybe adding a product. So this one is there. Let's add a advanced kind of thing. So like if you have something like Deezer or something like that, then you've got like a 10 or a 50 or I don't know, something like that. That's what I'm thinking. Advanced. So how much are we going to price this? We will price this at let's go with 55 and apply. So now maybe we get some more users to use that one. Okay, sprint 29. Okay, investment tax rises, investor capital minus 30%. That's fine. We don't think we're into investors just yet. That's just the email saying that same thing. But we really need to get that revenue up a little bit. How's our server doing? Our server is doing well, no problem. So let's have a look at our marketing. What can we add a bit of a marketing budget in here? So let's add that up a little bit to see if we can't get a little bit more out of that. Okay, see if that increases. Yeah, immediately that jumps up a little bit. Unemployment drop, candidates minus 50% and starting salary plus 10. So not a good time to recruit. How much more do we need? We need some more features, right? Have we done our features? Let's quickly go and have a look at the backlog. Excellent. So let's get started on that cool feature over there. From a security point of view, I'm going to pop one in there. From a testing, yeah, add that. From a testing, oh, we're full. We can't do anything more than that. So let's get those features up and running. Can add more people to the mix. So traditional media, level 1 events, and now this is under strain yet again. Is this typology researched? Almost. So we'll fix that soon by adding some more service to the mix. Marketing, we can now unlock. What did they say? TV ads, better than mailing lists for any amount. So let's unlock. If it's music streaming, I'm thinking radio is better, but let's unlock TV ads and let's throw in 1,000 in that direction to see that we can grow our users a little bit more. Okay, see, we're reaching 2,800 people at the moment per month. Let's see if we can reach more. Well, a slow increase. Okay, so now we've upgraded that, so we can add an extra server. Let's pop in another Concord in there. Hopefully that does the trick. So again, I have no idea why we need that many servers if it's only 3,000 visits. Doesn't seem quite right. Level 1 PR company. Are we getting more people? Well, we're spending way too much money, I believe. I need to keep this this advertising budget intact. Actually, have a look. Can we see branding office? That's fine. Over here, let's start having a look at this. So we had that's about 3% sign up. Churns is quite high, 78%. Don't know how we reduce that. So we're getting percentage of visitors per sales channel. So my face ads not doing as well as TV ads. So I should really boost TV ads and maybe reduce the my face ads, because we're spending the same amount of money. Actually, what we should do is let me go over here and let me reduce that to 1000. Right, we'll save a little bit of money and we'll see what the effect is of that. So let's do one through there. Okay, features. Now let's go back and see how that works. Okay, so now we're percentage. Are we seriously saying that the same amount? Maybe we'll give it another run on there. Let's go back to the backlog and see what's going on. So we've added security over here. We probably need to add some more security on this side. So let's pop one in there just to make sure that all of our features are secure. Okay, so add that to the sprint. I'm also thinking a performance feature. Or a testing one. So let's discard that. Let's go for a testing one, and we'll pop in a testing one over here, right? Something like that. Let's do that. Let's add that to the sprint, and then that's full. Okay, we're going to need more features than that. Are those counting? Yeah, those are counted. What else are we doing over here? We probably need to keep seeking investors. We can get rid of that. I think we can get rid of that for now. And then let's start building a bit of some more features in here. Something like that. Okay, we'll do that. We'll add that to the sprint. So we'll build another more complex feature over there. And we can do something else. So maybe what we should do is, let's see about grabbing some of that. Just get the first one up and running. Okay, so now let's have a quick look at this again. So we're still spending 1000, right? So maybe it's good for us to add, well, maybe keep our spending there, but maybe up our spending a little bit on the TV ads. That might get us a little bit more action. So that's pricing. So we are getting a fair few users on this. We've almost got equal users on these, so that's pretty good. Let's go over here. So let me add a bit more spending on the TV ads to see if we can't increase that users a little bit more. Slowly getting up there, but we're still spending tons of cash as it stands. I'm kind of wondering if we need a bit of a better designer over here, and I'm also wondering if I should give myself a spot of training. I think so. I think it's probably a good idea. Is things standing still? Yeah, all the development stuff is everything is standing still. It's like this guy isn't doing anything. Sales and marketing. Those would have been sales and marketing, right? Ooh, I don't think I'm getting the value out of this guy. I think I need to get this, let this guy go, because I'm not getting any value. I need a developer. So I wasn't thinking clearly when I added that to the mix. I was not thinking clearly. So let's get rid of this guy. It's not a good idea. Ooh, and it's not a good time to hire people either. Oof, definitely not. So let's wait till that. It might not have been the greatest thing to do right now. Not a good move. We're getting things done very slowly. What is this? Unemployment drop. So we need to get that thing to run out. 2 new features added. Wow, we've got more problems with servers, so let's add another. We're not making money yet. We need to get to a point where we make money. Okay, now let's see about adding someone. What is this? A junk mail. Ninja stars. I'm not going to read it. Candidates. Let's see what we have. Design. Sales and marketing and design. These two candidates, Elena Egger and Nicole Ninali, is pretty much equal. We just hope they had a little bit more stuff to do. Let's hire Nicole. Okay, Nicole hired. Okay, so she's joining the team, and hopefully the design components run out a little bit quicker now. Shall we add something else over here? I've got security. We can add a feature over here. We can do a little bit more market research. So let's pop in some market research over here so that we can grow into this direction. Level 1 office supplies. So I'm going to take that one out there for now. And we will grow our features a little bit. So let's add a feature over here. That's it. Design and design. Yeah, like so should do the trick. Then we can start another feature over here somewhere. Tetris them together. Okay, so let's add it to the sprint over there. Oh, we should look at upgrading features too. Okay, so let's pop in here ever so quickly. So feature upgrades. Okay, feature upgrades are extremely important in making effective and desirable. Okay, here you can research upgrades that can be added to individual features. Remember, upgrades take a long time to research. The best upgrades depend on the industry and type of product you're building, so choose wisely. Okay, so what kind of features do we have? We've got responsive design, accessibility, improved typography, user tutorials, memory usage optimization, offline access, improved error handling, forward compatibility, localization, gestures, adaptive UI, API integration, and that's liked about the same as gestures. Okay, adaptive UI, memory usage. Oh, so now I've gone through all of them. So that's API integration. So I want something where there's more design effort and less other design effort. So accessibility. Let's do accessibility then, because design effort, I've got just hired a designer, so that should help that out a little bit. Yeah, it's getting there. Level 4 investor seekers in there. So hopefully with a lot of investor seeker stuff done, we should be able to get that sorted a little bit quicker. Level 4 infrastructure, and okay, and some almost level 3 events. How many users? I'm almost up to 200 users. That's pretty good. Traditional media, level 3 events, so that's been done. Ooh, there's a bug. Let's get the bug fixed to be sorted out. Okay, so now I get rid of this and get rid of that. Kind of done a lot of all of those. And what else should we do? Let's add one of those. And now let's have a look. So our test coverage is not great. We probably improve that. Our security coverage, we probably need to start looking at more secure coverage as soon as that's done. Performance, we're not improving performance of anything, so maybe what we'll do is we'll sneak a performance in there. Yeah, security is done, so we'll sneak another performance in there to boost this feature. And the ratings, I don't have any ratings. Okay, so let's see performance. Let's add one over there, add it to the sprint, and we can add one more to the sprint. Okay, that's pretty good though. Maybe we'll add another feature over here. So let's add one more feature, and that is a design, technical design. Have a little bit of fun with it, and yeah, we'll do so. So we'll add that to the sprint. Okay, so that's our product is being developed this way. Okay, let's see how we fare. We need to keep an eye on our money. I'm a little bit worried about it. We have actually, oh, we're still busy with that with that upgrade that we're talking about over there. We're almost done the market research. Okay, so market report 2. Our best feature has 5 components, 0 upgrades, and has 1 bug. Customers in our market segment care more about gestures than user tutorials, so gestures are important. Our customers think we are doing an okay job with bugs, but we could be doing better. 1 out of 16 features have known bugs. Our potential customers in this market care more about design than technical features. Based on this, 1 of our features is too technical, 1 of our features is too design focused, and 5 of our features hit the right balance between design and tech. Newspapers and magazines will attract a larger number of visitors than cold calls for any amount of spending. The price of our basic plan is getting close to where it should be, but it is too low. We should consider raising it a bit. Wow, did not see that coming. So let's raise that a little bit to 29. See how that goes. In that case, we might raise this one a little bit to 59. Let's apply that, see how that goes. We're still way off where we want to be. Okay, so let's go here and see this. So really, we're not getting the people from TV ads. So our spending there is not improving things at all. So we should probably drop that down a little bit. Okay, so let's have a look. If we go here, let's drop TV ads back to 1000. We'll up blog posts a little bit, and I'm thinking we add competitions to the mix. Let's add 1000 onto competitions. Right, so our spending is pretty much the same, but we've added another. We've basically added another channel towards our people. Right. What was this? This was more what happened in the inbox market research report. Yeah, fine. So run that and see how that goes. Yeah, what a spike in visitors right there. We're starting to see some more people. Okay, let's run another one. Peace in the Middle East. We add some more visitors and the churn is reduced, which is great. Very good. Now this is overloaded yet again. So Concord, 18,000 maximum load and monthly rent of 700. This one is a 500. But it only has 10,000 load. But shall we add it to the mix and see how that goes? Let's add that one and see what happens with that. Probably need to start getting some more. We're still pretty far off of that though. Keep going with this. Ooh, nice. We spiked our people a little bit. Accessibility is better now. So let's get that bug sorted out. The other thing, so this is our best feature. So if we have a look, we've got a 5.16, a performance of, just about the right design tech ratio. Start. So if I look at this one, it's just about right. If I look at that one, too many tech components. So that one is not working well. Oh, there's something over there. Ooh, there's 2 things over there that we can sort out, but we've got some black spots over here. Can we? Ooh, that's a bit of a concern. So we need to be better at where we place our market research things to ensure we don't have problems with this. But that's a feature that people would like to have, so we can start building in that general direction. Can't actually build through this, but what we could do is we could deprecate this because it doesn't have the right balance of things. Okay, so that's okay. Well, we need to add some more features to this mix, so let's make sure to keep adding features. Let's build that. Design and technical over here, and that needs to be a security one, so let's do that one. Okay, add it to the sprint there. Gonna build, so the 5 component features is okay, and what I've done is I have set this one to get upgraded. Yeah, that is being upgraded as we speak. What is the details on this? Just about right. It's got performance improvement. Let's start the accessibility upgrade on that one too. Okay, yeah, let's run that. Wow, Are we still struggling with this? Crazy. Well, let's add another Concord to the mix over here. It is going to start costing me more and more money. I need more people. So what's happening with our sales and marketing? Oh, we can improve this. Let's up that a little bit to see if that does anything for us. And let's up that one a little bit too and see if that helps us out. Is that getting us up there? Not quite. Job level 1 advertising. So let's get out of this one. And I'm going to need us to make sure we can keep the inbound stuff going. So let me put that one back in there. And we'll see about upgrading another component over here. Let's do that as an upgrade. Okay, good stuff. Now let's run it. Are we getting more users though? That's the question. Not really. Doesn't seem to. Wow, this is just. So we're not getting more users, but for some reason our server can't handle it. So I don't quite understand how that works, but in general it's okay. And let's run that again and see how that goes. So I'm kind of liking the idea of building it. Oh, there we go. We're adding a little bit more to the mix. Let's have a look here. So competitions is doing good things for us. TV ads is now dropping out a little bit. Blog post is really doing its thing. And my face ads is just all the way down there. So we shouldn't be spending a lot of money on them, on TV ads and blog posts. So let's go in here. Let's reduce that blog post budget. And let's make sure to add this one. I think that's going to be pretty good. So let's see how that goes. Is that going to shoot up or not really? Doesn't seem to be shooting up. Not at all. Oh! Yeah, well, getting there. Spending 20k. We need 2 more features. We need level 3 market research. Haven't we got? Oh, no, not got it. Oh, we're pretty much close to getting that done now. How is this continuously being a problem? I just don't understand it. We're filling this thing up completely. Okay, 1 bug fixed. Yeah. I'm not sure this budget is doing us any real good. So let's drop that back down to 3,000. Once this reaches 50, we'll probably need to go investors again. Okay, how's our feature development going? Ooh, 2 more bugs. Make sure we keep working on the bugs. Don't want the bugs to be overflowing things. Okay. Level 5 seek investors. So there should be plenty of investors around. Only 3? Oh yeah, I've got the first 2. Anyway, we won't be taking an investor on just yet. Level 4 inbound marketing. So there we go. We've done that. Level 4 inbound marketing allows us to maybe unlock something else. So maybe we should unlock video content and see how that goes for us. So let's unlock that, throw 1,000 in there and see what we get from that. Okay, let's run that and see. Getting more people. Yeah, slowly visitors are squeaking up. So video content is getting us some. Competitions is still doing the best. Blog posts is getting up a little bit. TV ads is down. My face ads is very low. Anyway, we are getting a few bits and pieces. So hang on, go into that again. So competition is still doing the best, and then blog posts. Video content and blog posts is doing fairly similar. So let's run it one more time and see if that trend remains. That's still the same, pretty much. So let's spend a little bit more on video content to see if we can't squeeze that up a little bit. So let's add a little bit more to that and see if we can't get it to get to the other one. Okay, local currency gets strong, so minus 5% signups and plus 5% churns. That's a bit of a problem over there for us. Okay, and our spending is going up. We're going to need another investor fairly soon. Oh, more bugs. These 2 have been upgraded. So we keep having to fix the bugs that we're seeing over here. So maybe what we need to do is actually grab a testing, discard, get a testing piece over here. Yeah, like so. We'll pop in a test over there. And maybe we'll do the same thing over here. Yeah, I think so. Another test bit right over there. Good stuff. So we'll add some testing done over there. We are improving performance on those. Let's see about, we need to build into this direction, but we also need a bit of market research done. So let's do kind of that thing. So we'll get rid of those issues that we have over there. So do the market research over there. And let's see that sprint. Another bug fixed. Getting through the things. We're not getting more users though. I need us to get more users somehow. Through market research we'll probably know. Ooh, that's dropping. Let's go back. What are we doing? Before we do that, let's have a look at this. So blog posts, video content has surged up a little bit, but really the competitions are where the money is at. So if we go over here, let's drop that a little. Let's add that up a little bit, and let's, if we increase that a bit, see how that does. I'm actually kind of thinking about dropping the my face ads. TV ads, okay, let's leave that to be. See how that goes. We're seeing an increase in visits. Let's add another. Yes, we're slowly increasing. Okay, I'm kind of thinking, let's add another product. Let's add the Pro one. And this one is going in at 79. 29, 59, 79. 89. And apply. So hopefully if we get a few people on that one, we'll make a lot more money. Run one more. Unemployment peak, candidates plus 50, starting salary minus 10. That's okay. So let's quickly have a look what's happening over here. So video content and blog posts fairly equal, competition's pretty good, and then TV ads is okay. 71 churn, yeah, we're not making a lot of money. Let's have a quick look. Oh, more bugs, fix those. Got the performance issues looking at over here. I can probably add another feature, so let's add a feature. Add that to the sprint. So it will already be secure, so that's just be making use of our security feature over there already. Okay, so let's make sure we do that. What else are we doing? Infrastructure. Hang on. Still busy working on that. Can we get out of that and see about, well, let's add that so we can get another form of that. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Let's keep going. Oh, and that's probably about the end of this episode. Yeah, I'll probably give it another. I want to reach these milestones a little bit, so I'll probably keep this series going for another 1 or 2 episodes. We'll see how that goes, but yeah, I'm enjoying it, and it's quite involved. It kind of keeps you, what am I going to constantly improve over here, what am I going to improve over there, how am I going to get these users up, how am I going to reach more visitors, etc, etc. Yeah, so anyway guys, I'm ExactChaos, and this has been Startup Freak Exactly. If you've liked it, hit that like button, and I will see you in the next episode. Thank you, bye bye.